Okay, so if we can't remember how to calculate average atomic mass for an unknown element through a graph, let's do a refresher. So here's an example. So let's say we have these two unknown isotopes here, and their masses are 235 and 238. And they give us the percentage that they're at through this bar graph. And it also gives us the exact percentage. That way we're not trying to guess. Okay, so that's always nice. If it is exact, then usually they don't give it to you because it's right on the line. It's assumed that it's exactly at that whole number. But here it's not, so they give it to us as their exact percentages. So here's what we need to do. Let's start with the first one. The first one is x 235, and x meaning the unknown element, like a variable in math. We use x for the unknown. And it is at 0.71%. Okay, and then we have x 238, and it is at 99.28%. Okay, the graph tells us that information, and we just wrote it down. Now that we have this information, we can now use the process for calculating average atomic mass to find its mass. So, what we need to do first is take these percentages and turn them into decimals. And we do that by dividing by 100. Okay, so let's take 0.71 and divide that by 100. We get 0.0071. Let's take 99.28 and divide it by 100. We get 0.9928. Then what we do is we take these decimals and we multiply them by their corresponding mass. So we're going to take 235 times 0.0071. And we're going to take 238 times 0.9928. 235 times 0.0071. That gives us 1.6685. 238 times 0.9928. That gives us 236.2864. And then we just add these two numbers together, and we'll get our final answer. So 1.6685 plus 236.2864. Okay, and I'm going to add a new page here so I'm not cluttering. When we add those two numbers together, our answer ends up being 237.9549 AMU. Remember, you have to have this unit, atomic mass unit, AMU. Had to have your units with numbers, or else the numbers are meaningless. So our unknown element's mass is 237.9549 AMU. So now that you have been retaught the process of calculating average atomic mass from a graph, you can now apply this information to the question that you missed.